curly girl method. Send help. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been walking in the direction of the curly girl method these days, and I'm only about like, I'm maybe like 2 weeks in right now. So I thought that I would just maybe like share my journey with you guys, let you know what is gonna be going on with my hair in upcoming videos. So today I'm gonna be showing you a haul of like curly girl-ish, maybe approved products. So I've been thinking about doing this for a while. I have kind of really wavy hair, but it's not like super kinky curly, although I haven't tried to wear it that way, like, you know, for 365 days straight. So I imagine the longer I wear it that way, the more curly it will become, which I think is like the whole premise of the curly girl method in general. But I also have a little girl who has curly hair, and recently she started saying that she wants straight hair and told me about a little girl who told her that she didn't like her hair curly. And so now I'm like my mind has just been like consumed with convincing her that curly hair is awesome. So that kind of means like really learning how to do curly hair, and her hair honestly might not be curly forever because she's only 5, but I want to know how to do it the right way so that she'll know how to do curly hair the right way. And my hair is kind of curly too. So while I'm learning to do curly hair for her, I might as well learn about it on my own hair and get some practice on my own hair. So as you can see, I'm kind of like 2 weeks into the curly girl method, and here are some of the products that I have picked up so far. So I got a bunch of things from the Coconut and Hibiscus curl line by Shea Moisture. So the first thing is this frizz-free curl mousse, the curl and shine conditioner, the curling gel souffle, the curl enhancing smoothie, and the curl and style milk. Now I also picked up some shampoos recently. So one of the shampoos that I picked up is this Curly Kids one, which is non-drying and sulfate free, which is kind of another thing with the curly girl method is we're not supposed to be stripping our hair of its natural oils all the time, which is why we're supposed to be using sulfate free shampoo unless I have a lot of buildup on my hair, in which case I do need to strip it. And one of the shampoos that was recommended for stripping product off your hair was the Daily Clarifying Shampoo by Suave, and I have not used Suave in years, so I was really surprised that that was one of the recommended shampoos to get the gunk off of your hair. And then lastly, I had no idea that this little blue guy right here had such a cult following, but this cheap gel, LA Looks Extreme Sport to be exact, is like one of the most popular hair gels that people who do the curly girl method use when they first get started to really get their hair to hold a curl. And so I was really surprised because I always felt like that looked like really wet, and I don't really like that wet curly look. But apparently there's this thing called the Scrunch Out the Crunch. So you want your hair to get really like hard and crispy crunchy and let it dry completely, and then you like basically break the cast, and it should in theory be soft curls. So this hair is like day 2 hair. You guys, like, I need your help. I need all your like prayers and your advice if you have done the curly girl method. Now, not washing my hair regularly is like not something that's new to me. I'm very familiar with the no poo, low poo, clean ingredient thing. So washing my hair every single day has not like been a problem for me because I haven't washed my hair every single day in like 6 years. Basically since my first child was born, I have gone from being a washing my hair every day kind of girl to a once, maybe twice a week. So that wasn't like a big deal for me because I've been washing my hair once or twice a week for like 6 years. And honestly, it really doesn't get super greasy because I'm not washing it too much. So Anyways, if you guys have any tips or advice or tricks for the curly girl method, please leave them in the comments below because I want to know. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out our channel. Subscribe so that when I upload an update about this, you will see it. Click the bell so that you actually get notifications when we upload videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I am going to get this cut off today.